CapCut is one of the easiest applications to edit your videos. You don't need specialized training to use CapCut, and it's one of the most simplified video editing softwares you can find anywhere. So today I want to show you how you can auto insert captions without stress on CapCut. Whether it is your own spoken video or it's an audio that has been generated by AI, or any other audio that you want to create the captions on, then CapCut, there is an option that you can use to caption your video free without going through the hassle. So on CapCut, this is a video that I was creating. So we have the 2 frames for the audio and then for the video. This is a video for a video short on one of my channels that I was creating a short, and you can hear it has some audio here. Let's play it a little bit and hear.
Cristiano Ronaldo isn't just a footballer, he's a global brand. From the iconic Sioux celebration that echoes through stadiums to the CR7.
So as you can hear, the video has an audio, and therefore we can insert the caption. So what we do, we go to captions. When you look on this toolbar here, we have the captions. You click on the captions, and then we have options. You can identify filler words. You can have bilingual captions when you want to include other languages. You can use that, but the default language here is English. So if you had any initial captions that you had inserted, you can click delete current captions, but since I don't have any, I can easily generate. So you just click on generate captions, and within a very short period of time, you see their captions are ready. So the captions, when they generate, they add another layer or another frame at the top. You see the brown layer at the top. That is the brown layer at the top. This is the caption layer. So when you play, let's start from the beginning, and then let's now play and see. Okay.
Ronaldo isn't just a footballer, he's a global brand. From the iconic Sioux celebration that echoes through stadiums to the CR7 label seen on fashion, hotels, and...
So you can see the captions are there, but then to make them more visible, we can change the template. So when you go to the right side, upper right side, you'll see as long as your captions are highlighted and like that, then you go to the templates. When you go to the templates, you'll find some templates that are ready for you to choose from, so that you can make these captions more visible. One more thing, you can change these captions. You can put them anywhere on the screen or on the aspect, wherever you want. You can put them at the bottom, in the middle, or up, and so on. So here are the templates. Okay, these are the templates. We can scroll down to see there are so many templates that you can choose from. You can choose from, so that you can choose one that pleases you or one that is more visible to you. So let's look for one that is a little bit visible. Let's maybe choose this one. Okay, we select that one and then see how it looks. Okay, let's play the video now.
Ronaldo has turned his name into a marketing empire. With over 800 career goals and countless records, he's the highest
So you can choose any, you can even choose this one. Let's choose that one. Okay, purple one, and then play the video. We see how it looks like.
Cristiano Ronaldo isn't just a footballer.
Okay, so let's after you've done that, then you can also move this caption anyway. You can expand it, the size of the caption, you can make it smaller and all that. Okay, and then once you are done, you simply export. You export the video, you export it now with the captions. It will make let's export it and see what comes. Okay, so you change the name here. Okay, we can call that Ronaldo. Okay, and then we click export. So let's export and see how the video will turn out to be. Okay, let's give it a few moments. Let's give it a few moments as it exports. So it's complete. The export is complete. Now let's listen to that video, or let's have a look at it. So I'll go to the folder where that video has been saved, and then we can open it to see how it plays or how it looks like.
CU celebration that echoes through stadiums to the CR7 label seen on fashion, hotels, and fitness products, Ronaldo has turned his name into a marketing empire. With over 800 career goals and countless records, he's the highest international goal scorer of all time. His charisma, work ethic, and unmatched longevity have made him a fan favorite for decades. As Portugal prepares for the UEFA Nations League final, all eyes are once again on Ronaldo, the man who led them to the title.
So you can see the captions look very nice.
His presence alone shifts the energy on the pitch.
They look very nice, and this is a very good video. When you post it even on YouTube or any other place, it looks professional with the captions professionally done. So if you need to learn more about video editing and CapCut, please just follow this channel for more. Thank you.